The mouse. Learning about the mouse. In our last lesson, we have learned about the keyboard. Now, in this lesson, let us learn about mouse. You naughty children, I know you are thinking about the animal mouse. No, in computer, to move cursor on the screen, we also use mouse. The mouse is a small input device. A mouse usually has 2 buttons. Some older mouses have 3 buttons. The buttons are clicked to send messages to the CPU. These mouses have a roller ball under them. The ball rolls on the mouse pad and controls the movement of the pointer on the screen. This is an optical mouse. It does not have the roller ball under it. There is a sensitive red light under it, which controls the movement of the pointer on the screen. The optical mouse also has a wheel between the 2 mouse buttons known as scroll wheel. It helps in moving a page up and down on the screen. A mouse is usually connected to the CPU with a cable. Now I will show that mouse connected to CPU without cable. This is a cordless mouse. It is connected to the CPU. Mouse action. What does a mouse do? We use the mouse to give input to the computer. We give commands to the computer by the following mouse actions: pointing, selecting, moving. Pointing. Observe the screen while moving the mouse on the mousepad. You will see how the mouse controls the movement of the mouse pointer. We can use the mouse to move the mouse pointer to point to any part on the screen. This is called pointing. So the mouse is a pointing device. Selecting. There are many picture symbols on a monitor screen. They are called icons. We can select the icon on the monitor screen with the help of the mouse. Using the mouse buttons. We can give instruction to the computer by clicking the buttons of the mouse. Using your finger, gently press and release a mouse button of the mouse makes a clicking sound. This is called clicking the mouse. Single click. A single click of the left mouse button, select an icon or a menu item over which the mouse pointer is placed. Right click. Clicking the right mouse button is called a right click. When we right click, a list of commands related to the selected part are displayed on the screen. We use the left mouse button more often than the right mouse button. Double click. Clicking the left mouse button twice quickly is called a double click. Double-clicking the icon of the program gives a command to the computer to open it. Moving on the screen, drop and drag. The mouse helps us to move icons on the screen. You can select an icon and shift it to another part of the screen. To do this, first you have to select an icon. Hold down the left mouse button and drag the icon to any part of the screen. Drop it there by releasing the mouse button and drag the icon to any part of the screen. This type of shifting action is known as a drag and drop action. Taking care of the mouse. Always use the roller ball mouse on the mousepad. Protect the mouse from dirt and water. Do not drop the mouse. Summary. We have learned in this lesson about the uses of mouse and how to handle it. Keep learning.